All right, Tom, here's a quick run through on how to get that call out that you're looking for on a particular image. So really what you need is two things. You need the image and you need a shape overlay. And what might be a little bit confusing is how to punch a hole in the shape so that your image stays visible, but the call out shape stays red on top of it as well. So let me just set this up. I'm going to grab a picture, and so you have an image on a slide. And what you want to do is call out, let's say, this little guy's face right here with a red circle or a red square. Well, it's not too bad. All you need to do is go up to Picture Tools or over to the Insert menu. And when you're on the Insert tab up here, it's probably easier to see, you can click Shapes. And then you can pick an appropriate shape like a circle or a rectangle or an arrow even. And if I pick a circle, or an ellipse technically, and I click and drag to highlight the area I want to highlight, what's going to happen here is that the shape will be solid. I'm going to stretch my window a little bit so you can see the menus that we need to see here. Up towards the top now, once you have that shape selected, you see a Drawing Tools menu. When you tap on that Drawing Tools menu, you'll see Shape Fill, Shape Outline, and Shape Effects. If I click on Shape Fill, I can come down here to the middle and choose No Fill. Then I can come here to Shape Outline and make it a call-out color that's going to be a little bit bolder than any of the image colors. He's got a red sweatshirt, so I'll pick a yellow call-out. I can go back to Shape Outline and go down a little bit further towards Weight and change the visual weight of that to, say, 6 point. And then I can just grab these handles here and resize this so that it's the right exact size or call out that I'm looking for. So then if you click and reposition your image, or if you need to change the call out, you just click very precisely either on the line, probably if it's a temporary or a transparent shape, and then click and drag on the line itself to move it. If you notice, when I click here inside the circle, since there's no fill, it actually selects the background image. So since there's no fill, you've got to click on the line of the shape itself, and then you can manipulate it. So that should do it. If you wanted to add a second shape, same process again. Let me just resize this window a little bit so you can see. Go over to Insert and then Shapes, and here you could use, I'll just show you another example, an arrow. And if I draw an arrow now, I just click and drag to form the arrow, and then I've got some controls here on the arrow shape for things like thickness of the lead, thickness of the point, and I can drag up or back here to change the overall dynamic of the arrow. And then the same thing with transparency and color. If we go to the upper corner, let me size this window a little bit, here to Drawing Tools with that arrow selected, then I can change the shape fill, color. I can change the outline color and the outline thickness to call out whatever areas I want to call out. Same thing works for text boxes. You could plunk in a text box right here or right in the arrow or whatever. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you need some more direction. Thanks.